Hey, here Ivan. I'm gonna make this video on how to get leads on Craigslist for CPA Marketing. It's a little bit. It's paid. This is my first time doing this as a paid paid advertising on Craigslist. But what I've seen is working out awesome. It's working out pretty awesome. What I'm seeing, I got less competition on the jigs session. So this is what I've been getting lately. And I started since yesterday night. I think it's like 24 hours right now. But yeah, I've been getting a lot. I have softwares to post on automation, but sometimes when you post on Craigslist for free, when you post it, your ad goes down, and people won't see it, since a lot of people are posting. But when you pay, it's something different. They have it on the top side, and yeah, it converts pretty good. I'm happy with the results. This is my first time doing it. I've been using softwares and everything, but this one is awesome. I never thought it was gonna work, but it's working out pretty good. I do it on the jig section, so I've been getting a lot of people pounding me on messages, and I can join these people on my business opportunities and everything, since a lot of people are requesting more info besides the CPA link that I send them. But I get $2 conversion just by getting their email. Yeah, I started yesterday? Yeah, yesterday, the 29th. But yeah, this is my conversions that I'll be getting. 41, $2 per lead. That's $82. But yeah, it's working out pretty good. So for me, it's awesome. It's something that I've been testing. So if you want to get involved in learning CPA marketing and everything, join my team. You can start with $100, so you can start making money on Autopilot and everything. So I will put my link in the description ad, so we'll be in contact, or if you have any questions or doubts or whatever. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll be in contact.